Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to unsubscribe from any of the services on your iPhone. In order to do this, you have to go to the settings of your iPhone. Now, click on your iCloud, and there is an item, Subscriptions. Open it up. Here you have different subscriptions. You choose the one you want. But since I have a family subscription, Apple Music, it's up to the person to remove me. And if you have a regular subscription, you'll have a button to cancel. Or you can choose a new plan that you're interested in. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.